Hello everyone, here's Josie from Russian Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you our cosmetics pouch. Look at here. It is made by white press bronze skin pulp with black toner. And this shape is made by almost. It doesn't need to extra cost. And look at the space, it is very smooth in this side. And on the other side, it is have some mesh texture, as you can see. In addition, there is a group to place the product. It is have a good holding effective to the product. So it is play a good role in basing the product. Of course, if you want to design other color portrait, you can provide color numbers for us. We also can design it for you. In the production process, our product has achieved zero pollution, zero addition, and zero emission. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused. Including defective products can also be recycled. To achieve the concept of environmental protection, the important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. If you want to design portrait package too, please feel free to contact with us and to get a free sample. Thank you for your watching. Bye.